Guys, this is pretty neat. This is the first smart car we've ever gotten in. This thing is tiny. So anyways, we're gonna be doing some vinyl work on this. We're gonna be wrapping this to a liquid copper color. Sean, you should buy this car.
You see those?
See what?
The wheels aren't stock.
The wheels aren't in stock?
What did it say?
This is a smart car logo.
No, read it, look for it.
Does it say Brabus? Does it say Brabus?
Bro, these are the limited edition Brabus smart car logos. Lit.
What a surprise, guys.
Dude, I was looking at the smart car, I was like, dude, something doesn't look right. And then I looked, I was like, dude, these wheels have to be aftermarket. Liquid copper, what it's called. That's a copper. It's like a GTR color.
It is like a GTR color.
Right?
He uses this to push his race car.
Told you.
To push?
That's all of this car's purpose.
What do you mean?
Is
To
to
push it and drive around.
What do you mean it pushes a race car? This thing
Because they don't have to heat up the engine. If you're about to race and you're in the lineup, they push it up till you get to the lineup.
But how do they push the car without damaging the car? They just bump it
I'm
to?
assuming
probably
something,
have
something attaches up to this area. That's why it's open like that.
Alright, Ted, let's hit this thing. Huh?
Nobody can know this, bro.
We had to show something. Something, Sean.
Insert Call of Duty clip here.
Oh, I'll insert something else here. I hope I can find love like these two one day.
Okay, that's awkward. We're just gonna cut that one out, alright? That was just weird.
Sean, are you watching a race while you're rapping right now?
Working on a race car, you gotta watch race day. That's how this car treats you good.
Surprisingly, this is not the smallest car we've wrapped. This orange is insane. It looks like that GTR orange that Nissan came out with a while ago. From what I understand, the race car has the same orange on it, so this is going to match really well with this since it is going to be pushing that on the track. But even though it's not going to be the star of the show on the racetrack, it's still important for us to make sure we do an incredible wrap job. So we one-piece anything that we could, and we hit any seams. So overall, really happy with how this came out.